What if you have a quadratic equation that won't factorize easily? Today we learn a powerful method called completing the square. Completing the square means rewriting a quadratic expression into the form bracket x plus a number, all squared, like a perfect square trinomial. Here is the rule. Take the coefficient of x, divide it by 2, then square the result. Add and subtract this number to complete the square. The first three terms become a perfect square bracket. The subtracted number stays outside. Think of it like balancing a market scale. What you add, you must subtract. Example 1. Solve x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. First, move the constant to the right side. The coefficient of x is 4. Half of 4 is 2, squared gives 4. Add 4 to both sides. We get bracket x plus 2 squared equals 9. Square root both sides gives x equals 1, or negative 5. Example 2. Solve 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 equals 0. When the coefficient of x squared is not 1, first divide everything by that number. After dividing by 2, we get our previous equation. Complete the square the same way. Half of 4 squared is 4. The solutions are x equals 1 or negative 5. Common mistake. Many students add the squared number to one side only. Remember, if you add to the left side, you must add to the right side too. Keep the equation balanced. Notice completing the square also reveals the vertex of the parabola. The turning point is at bracket negative 2, negative 9. This is useful for sketching graphs. Remember these three words: halve, square, balance. Halve the coefficient of x, square it, and balance both sides. That is completing the square. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes and practice questions. See you next time.